Have you ever thought about Māui? He was curious and inquisitive, but he was also a tutu. Pūrākau, our oral histories, are often called myths and legends. Our whakapapa, genealogy, says that we are descended not just from our tūpuna, but also from the atua. This makes pūrākau a really important part of our history, woven into stories that were easy to remember and to pass down from generation to generation. They also taught our tūpuna how to live or how not to live, including how to treat and raise their pēpi and tamariki. They were a source of rules, or tikanga, which everyone followed. Through pūrākau, we can learn about love and marriage and relationships and, of course, parenting. And we can follow the lessons too. Have you ever thought about Māui, a hero of our people whose many adventures have been passed down through the centuries? He was curious and inquisitive, but he was also a tutu. When he wondered about the source of fire, he put out all the fires in his village to see what would happen. Hōhā. And when his brothers wouldn't let him come fishing, he hid in their waka. Māui was brave and adventurous and aroha. But if he hadn't have hidden in that waka, he wouldn't have pulled up to Ika a Māui, the North Island. Māui was a hero of our people, and so all these qualities were ones that our tūpuna expected to see in our tamariki. Curious and hōhā, brave and a nuisance. Do you know where else we can learn lessons and tikanga for our whānau? From our whānau pūrākau, oral histories from our whānau and whakapapa. There could be parenting memories and lessons that you can borrow for your own whānau. Are your parents or grandparents, aunties or uncles still alive? Ask them what they remember about their grandparents and the old people in their lives. These kōrero could be windows into the past. All pūrākau tell us about tūpuna values, whether they are our own whānau pūrākau or from books and other resources. When we spend the time to find them, record them and analyse them, they all have lessons to help us. Ka mua ka muri, going into the future with our eyes on the past, on our tūpuna. We can learn from them to take ourselves and our whānau forward.